All right, we got Gilbert, Rosie, and Dad here.
And
We're gonna narrate through the video. All right, we have the concrete coming today. We're gonna be pouring some forms here, so we're just waiting on the truck, and then we'll be off to pouring. Here comes the truck. The concrete truck is coming down the road here. You know how many?
off the road.
Yeah. Hey, do you know what has 6 wheels and flies?
What?
Well, the garbage truck.
Yeah, because it has wheels there.
Kind of like the concrete truck. Yeah, that's concrete truck right there. So the guys are pouring up down the side of the house.
Yeah. Dad, you can do it by yourself. You just take some water, take some sand, mix it up in mud.
You could, but that'd be a huge job. Like, look at the size of this truck. It has a massive mixer on it. Do you think we can mix that much up in one day? Hey, who's in the window there?
Me and Rosie.
Yeah, that's right.
How you got that?
So the guys are pouring up the concrete here, and we ended up spotting a little dude walking on top of the concrete. Do you know what it was?
No.
You don't remember what it was?
No.
He's green, and he has 4 legs, and he hops. What do you think it could be?
Oh, a frog.
Maybe a frog.
It was on the concrete.
Do you know what kind of frog is green? Here, I'll give you a hint. Take a look right there. That's a tree frog. Do you think tree frogs like to live on concrete?
No.
No. So we grabbed them, gave them a rinse, and put them back in the trees. And if you look right in the middle of the screen, right there, he's hiding on that rock. Blends right in. So the guys finished smoothing this up, and then we went over to the root cellar, which you'll see here in just a minute. And we poured a really nice concrete slab in front of the root cellar. And now, what do we have there?
Hey, Dad, you make that pole again?
In the summer. What do we have? So that's the root cellar. What do we have right in front of the root cellar?
Another root cellar?
No, starts with an S.
Yes.
A shed. Yeah, and what do we put in the shed?
Daddy and Mother's want that.
Yep, we can put our bikes, we can put the lawnmower, we can put shovels in the shed, maybe even a sled.
Yeah.
Sled in the shed.
You can put tools in the shed like lawn chairs.
Lawn chairs, 100%, yep. Yeah, so these guys are really good. I'm glad we hired concrete guys to come and finish the concrete. Concrete turned out really nice. They made it look really easy, and everybody's happy.
And you can't walk a concrete with no shoe. They put a wood in.
That's true.
That's how you did that.
All right, be sure to check out our shed building video and to like and subscribe.
Oh, I see you broke the wooden.
Yep, just click this other video and you can watch us build it.
See? I don't know how to do it. Please, I see. Oh.
All right, that's it. The slab's been poured and the bolts are in. So now we'll let it set up for a good 24 to 48 hours. Keep the kids and the dogs off it. That'll be a challenge. And then we'll be on to framing up a shed here.